check out this cordless leaf blower that is set up almost like a cordless screw gun. Now the battery is a 20 volt, it does not come with it. It's easy to find on Amazon, and it is easily reversible, so it's just like a screw gun. This side it's going to blow out, this side it would turn to suction and suck in, and you simply switch out the attachment to this guy, and now you have a vacuum. Now you do have some attachments here. You've got this long guy, you can use this short guy, or you can use this flat guy. Now what I've found is if it's something really light and quick around the house, so our back patio often gets a lot of dust, and so it needs a little blowing every now and then. So here we go. It works well. I'm impressed with this. And I love the fact that it's versatile and I don't need a cord. Impressive product. I recommend it.